Welcome to my YouTube channel. So basically what you're going to find here on my YouTube channel is videos of me trading so that my students can see me using the algorithm and I could talk to them and give them pointers and notes to further their education on trading and use of the algorithm. You also see different trade experiments we'll do with small accounts and different things like that, and educational series like risk management, building a trade plan, and so on. What you will not see is me trading and making hundreds of thousands of dollars and all that stuff. Family rules, I'm not allowed to put that out there on the internet. I actually don't understand why traders want to do that. Like, hey, I made $30,000 today and $20,000 tomorrow, and like all this stuff with all their personal information on the internet. You won't see that. I'm not allowed to do that, or I won't be able to have a channel. So basically this is just strictly for entertainment and education for my students. Showcase the algorithm, trading tools, have different discussions on topics. I get questions. I try to make videos to answer those questions, and so on. So check out my channel, check out my different videos, swing trading, futures trading, and day trading. And let me show you a quick video on how the algorithm works so you understand what you're looking at when you see my trades. Day trading, swing trading, and futures trading with the Simple Switch algorithm from 2020 Day Trader. It gives me an 80% success rate or better. How does it work? Let me show you. Once the algorithm switches, it indicates a trade, and then I get permission down here. And then once it's switched and I have permission, the algorithm tells me where to get in. It tells me where I'm going to get out if I'm wrong, and it tells me my targets if I'm right. So before I even make the trade, I know where my risk is, I know where my reward is, and then I can purchase the proper position sizing for risk management. All of the classes over at 2020 Day Trader are free. This way it gives you an opportunity to try it out, learn everything you need to learn, including the risk management and trading plans, and see if it fits your lifestyle and goals, and if it does, then you can go ahead and buy the algorithm and start trading. The algorithm comes with a 100% money back guarantee. So if you're not successful, you get refunded for the algorithm. So who else is offering you a 100% money back guarantee if you're not successful? With the Simple Switch algorithm, I don't need to know anything about chart patterns like support and resistance and trend lines and channels and candlestick patterns or any of that stuff. I only need to trade off the algorithm. All right, so there you go. You can see a nice, almost a 3-to-1 winner, and the 80% win rate is only based on a 1-to-1. So all these 2-to-1s and 3-to-1s and so forth, that's all bonus money. And you can see these live trades over at my YouTube channel. Okay, so what happens when you click the link below and you go over to the site? All right, so you'll come to the home page. If you're already a student, you can come up here and click my courses for the ones you're enrolled in, or see all the courses on one page. You can scroll down, it'll give you a bunch more information on the general algorithm, swing trading, day trading, and futures trading. You'll get more info there. A little video with some more information on the algorithm, and you can basically scroll down. So I want you to notice that when you do come over to the website, there's no 30-minute video you have to watch before you get into the site. There's no contact form where you have to give me all of your information before you can browse around and see what it's all about. Everything is transparent. It's right up front. Come over, check it out, browse around, see everything you need to see. If you decide you want to sign up for a class, great, sign up for a class. If you want to get the algorithm, get the algorithm. If you just want the log, or you just decide you want to sign up for my swing alerts based on the algorithm, whatever it is, it's up to you. But you get all the information without having to provide your information or watch these long videos and all the craziness I see some of the other traders out there doing. Okay, so my course is only going to be open for a select number of students. Once I reach that cap, I'm going to close enrollments. And the reason is I think when too many traders are doing the same thing, they become the herd. And we don't want to be the herd. We want to be the ranchers. So one of the things I teach with the Simple Switch is risk management. And I also give you tools that I use for my own risk management. There's an Excel document that I created that's got custom calculators, custom scalers, all this different stuff that's in there, logs and whatnot that I use to be able to scale my trades properly. I know how many shares I need to buy, and I know how many I shouldn't buy, and all the different risk rewards to make sure that my account survives. Like all that is already taken care of in my Excel document that you get as part of the course. And I teach you how to use that, and I teach you how to build a risk management strategy and a trading plan using the algorithm. So it's all right there. I can even look at my stuff and project out what my potential profits are going to be and everything. So I teach you all that stuff, give you all the tools that I'm using, tell you resources that you can use and all that stuff. I want you to be successful. I'm available by email. I'm going to be doing webinars for my students that are free webinars. Everything I can do to help you be successful.